So, manipulate natin ang sa twist. This is the part. So, this is the one partners. I will be the area. So, here find the area is given. A is equals to 120 and B is equals to 220 and A is equals to 20. So, using this formula, substitute natin. So, again, kunin natin ang value ng sine 20. Kung natin nakuha, so natin siya kunin by the value of sine 20 degrees equals to divided by 112. So, we got 0.6688. So, we can get answer. And then, our B is 45 degree naman. Ang come up with. So, i-type lang using yung calculator. Shift, sine, and then type this. Okay. So, magwas ang is 41 something. So, pag-in siya. Maging 42 na siya. The result number. So, it is 42. So, 42. Pagkakit sa 38 is 138 degree. So, 108 minus 42. So, siya. So, it is 30. Minus ang 187. Sa 42. So, it's 108 degree. So, karon, using this formula naman, pwede nyo gamit. So, substitute. This 24 squared cosine B. No? 42 degree. Over sine C is 118. You can set the as divided by our 2 sine A or sine 20. So, laging patandaan na kunin mo yung mga value ng mga signs sa solve. Kaya makukuha tayo ng exact answer. So, 10,800 meter squared. So, siya substitute naman siya. So, given two sides of the cube, the area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 the product of two sides times sine of the imputed area. So, pag dito naman guys, ito yung gagamitin ng formula. So, again, substitute mo lang. And the area triangle will be given B is 27 right, C is 14, and A is 45. So, nila mo siyang i-solve. So, 27 minus 14. Kasi so, answer niya is 1.28.8 something. So, 1.29. So, approximate naman siya 130 yards square. So, next, the area of the triangle is equals to square root of the product of semi-perimeter and the semi-perimeter minus one side times the semi-perimeter minus the second side times the semi-perimeter minus the third side. So, ito. Yung question. So, again and again, substitute mo lang yung mga given. Just like this. So, our S, di ba solve na mo ito? 11. So, it's 1, 11. Our A is 5. Our B is 7. Our C is 10. So, i-minus ang tanan, then after na-cancel, i-multiply, then multiply sa 11, we get 264 square 264. So, anong square ng 264? So, it is equals to 16.2. And then, magkalimutan ilagay yung unit. Ano yung ginagamit na unit. So, di naman siya ganun kahirap. Kaya ano lang siya, substitute. And also, don't forget to get the value kung ano yung hinahanap. Para di kayo malito kung saan ang galing ito, bakit 10,800 yung answer. So, kung sa ibig mo ang sign for the table, i-list ko para di ka ng table. Kung nakita mo naman ang value niya, tayo naman siya sa i-type mo sign for the degree because it's equals the mo. And kung hanapin mo ang value, ganita. So, so, I guess this is the last slide topic. I hope you learned something. And once again, good day and thank you for listening.